How to make music with AI apps. A step-by-step guide. Artificial intelligence, AI, has transformed the music industry by making it easier than ever to create, edit, and produce music. Whether you're a professional musician, a beginner, or just someone who loves experimenting with sounds, AI music apps can help you generate unique compositions with minimal effort. In this blog, we'll explore how to make music using AI apps, the best tools available, and tips to enhance your AI-generated music. Step 1. Choose the right AI music app. There are several AI-powered music apps designed for different purposes, from generating beats to composing full tracks. Here are some of the best AI music apps in 2025. 1. AIVA, Artificial Intelligence Virtual Artist, best for composing symphonies, cinematic scores, and classical music features. Generates high-quality compositions based on user preferences. Website www.aiva.ai. 2. Ampere Music, best for quick and easy music creation for content creators. Features customizable music generation based on mood, style, and tempo. Website www.amperemusic.com. 3. Boomy, best for AI-generated music for streaming and monetization. Features allows users to create songs instantly and release them on platforms like Spotify. Website www.boomy.com. 4. Soundraw, best for creating AI-generated music loops. Features AI-assisted music composition with customization options. Website www.soundraw.io. 5. OpenAI's Jukebox, best for experimental music and deep learning-based compositions. Features AI-generated music in various styles, including lyrics and vocals. Website www.openai.com. Step 2. Set your preferences. Most AI music apps allow you to customize different aspects of your song, such as genre, pop, rock, classical, EDM, hip-hop, etc. Mood, happy, sad, energetic, relaxing, instruments, piano, guitar, drums, electronic synths, tempo and BPM, beats per minute. Adjusting these settings helps the AI generate music that matches your creative vision. Step 3. Generate and edit your music. Once you input your preferences, the AI will generate a track within seconds. You can then modify the arrangement, adjust instrument levels, structure, and effects, add vocals or lyrics. Some AI tools generate lyrics, while others allow you to upload your own, mix and master. Fine-tune the audio for professional quality. Step 4. Export and share your AI music. After finalizing your song, you can download it in MP3, WAV, or MIDI format and share it on platforms like YouTube, Spotify, SoundCloud, or TikTok. Some AI music apps even offer built-in monetization options. Tips for making the most of AI music apps. Experiment with different styles to find your unique sound. Use AI-generated music as a base and add your personal touch with real instruments or vocals. Combine multiple AI tools for better results, e.g., using one for composition and another for mastering. Follow copyright guidelines if you plan to monetize AI-generated music. Conclusion: AI music apps have revolutionized the way we create and experience music. Whether you want to make beats for fun or produce professional tracks, AI can help you generate high-quality compositions effortlessly. Try out different AI music apps, explore new styles, and unleash your creativity with the power of